Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have a digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of matching coefficients. Let's solve this question together, but before solving this question, I'd like to talk about the term coefficients. So the coefficient, when you're talking about it, some of you might not be familiar with the terminology. That's why I will just show you some examples. For instance, we have, let's say, 3x squared, let's say plus 12y plus, let's say, 8xy plus 7z cubed, let's say. We have different terms in here, and each terms are separated by the plus sign. We didn't use the negative sign, but I can add one negative 1. Let's say negative 5x this time. So the coefficient of the first term is the number in front of the variable, which is 3. Coefficient of the second term is 12. The coefficient of this term is 8. Technically, the number in front of the variable. Coefficient of this is 7, and the coefficient of 5x is 5. So these are the coefficients. Okay. Actually, in here, then this negative sign belongs to 5. You can say that it's negative 5 as well. We're just trying to refer the number. I mean, I want you to have a better understanding of that. This coefficient is more about the number in front of the variable. That's being said, let's continue with the solution of the problem. So let me read it first. The equation 7 times in parentheses u plus v plus 5 times in parentheses u squared minus y equals 5u squared plus 7u plus 28 is true for all values of u. What is the value of y? In this case, we will just do distribution. We will distribute these numbers into parentheses. 7 times u is 7u. Plus 7 times y is 7y. Plus 5u squared. Minus 5y. Is equals to 5u squared. 7u plus 28. You can combine the like terms on the left side. Only 7y and 5y are common. So let's combine them. 7u plus 7 minus 5y is plus 2y plus 5u squared is equals to 5u squared plus 7u plus 28. So the equation is balanced, and we have some like and exactly the same terms on each side of the equation, such as 5u squared. We can just go ahead and take away these, and the balance of the equation will be kept because they are the same terms. And if you will just pay attention, there is also 7u that you can take away. These cancel each other out. And what you're going to end up with is 2y is equals to 28. Then to get the value of y, we will divide both sides by 2. Thus, the value of y will be equals to 14. So the final answer for this question is 14. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.